When are you visiting the Philippines? Join us on an inside and outside tour of our compound in Negros, Oriental, Philippines. We hope you enjoy it.
Sir Glenn and his apprentice, Lolo Berto. Salamat for installing the new tank. Wow. So nice water pressure in the house now. Salamat, sir.
No pineapple yet. This is our new addition coming up. Here, we bought a native hut inside our compound. Got my computer set up and a fan. Even have a light for nighttime. But I just realized I'm sitting in the sun, and if I move around for other side for morning, I can be completely in the shade. My dermatologist would appreciate that. Alright, that's it from the... Oh, the light's on. That's not necessary. Got the switch here. No more light. I guess when I plugged it in after last night, the light was still on. I like my computer stand, or sorry, my monitor stand. Pretty stable, professional, not. We've got papaya trees all the way down the wall here. There's some bamboo at the end. Just to the end of the white wall, got some bamboo growing at the end here. And this outer building is our maid's quarters, bathroom, and storage room. This is our water shed. Our water system's in that building there we had built. We planted that palm. It's gotta be 20 feet high, 15 feet high now. These are all papaya. Here's the heavy gate that some people criticize me for not opening for Lindy on our anniversary date video. Even though people criticize it, it has almost 1.5 million views. Thank you very much, people. 2 fingers. There you go. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, outdoor kitchen, and around this corner I still have to do the power washing. We finished this wall here. It's about 20 feet high. And we built this garbage shed to match the water shed. I shouldn't say we did. Our workers did. And this flower bed back here as well. And that's the washing machine and outdoor kitchen. 4 air conditionings, which we rarely use. This is a corner lot, 235 square meters. And what did we pay for it? Yes. This native hut is our new addition last week. We had a fancy American company tent with steel frame. After the second time it got blown down, I didn't want to get the frame welded again, so we went with the native hut, and it's been fantastic. That's it. Back to editing for me.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please subscribe. And don't forget to like and share with your friends. We really appreciate your support.